Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars T-GP Air textile jacket. Okay, the all-new, bold, stunning, and beautiful.
Hell yeah. Look like Marc Marquez, just no red.
Yeah, probably not as fast as him, though.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Probably don't crash as much as him either.
And guess who's okay with that? That's me. This thing retails for $319.99. It is stunning. I know on the surface for a second you're like, that's a lot of money for a textile jacket.
Yeah.
However, we have, that's like the slider off the race suits.
Hell yeah.
That's the slider off the elbows of the race suits.
Because we're all going to use that.
Maybe.
It looks so
You
cool.
can't even drag your elbow when you're fast, which is hilarious.
He doesn't even have any hair.
I don't have any hair. Level 2 certified armor, and people have asked for this, and I like that. Now with some of the more technical stuff like this one, they stepped up and put it in there. Level 2 armor, I'm going to show you it later in the video, in the shoulder as well as the elbow and forearm. This jacket has the ability to accept either the standard length Alpinestars back protector insert or the extended length, and it has a Velcro patch inside the chest of the jacket that takes the one-piece Alpinestars chest armor that has that piece of Velcro on it.
Yeah.
Right? It does not have pockets for the split. It only has the Velcro for the one piece. So this is really a pretty technical jacket when you look at it.
Like a race-oriented style jacket. We can talk about fit now. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Sorry about my short shorts. I shaved my legs just for you guys.
Jesus, dude.
Forgot to wear jeans
Don't tell
today.
people that.
But I'm wearing a medium. I am 5'11", 175 pounds.
Thought it was 2.
A little heavier. I weighed myself a couple days ago. I have a 39.5-inch chest, and it's a medium. I'm going to say, as you can tell, it's definitely snug. It honestly feels just like an Alpinestars race suit, kind of like the GP Tech V5, I would say. Yeah, 'cause, I mean, it has the same sliders and everything, same cup shape.
And it looks, this is just one of many colors that's available. This thing is beautiful, dude.
Yeah, I'm a fan for sure.
100%.
Because the blue, you might not be able to tell on the camera, but it's more metallic, like, I don't know.
It looks great. The
Shiny.
red, it all looks great.
It's going to be awesome.
Iconic logo, right? That's like a heavy screen print.
Yeah.
I like the laser perf. I believe that's probably perf with the laser. I don't know. Here on the textile, the different meshes, like that spacer mesh used there, the white mesh, a little tighter woven, zippered hand warmer style storage pockets.
Got it all.
There's a waterproof pocket on the inside of this thing with a zipper. Turn around. It's got a real subtle race hump too. Large mesh panels here for cooling, right? Perforation there in the textile. We've got reflectives built into this. It's also able to be used with a Tech Air vest. If you want to use like a Tech Air 3 that goes over the top, sure you can do that, but why would you do that, dude? It would look terrible. You're covering it up.
Yeah, it'll look stupid. Get a 5 plasma.
Get a 5 plasma, put it underneath.
Yep.
For example, if Max were going to go with the plasma on this,
I'd have to go up the size to
100%
large.
Yeah, there's no way that you're going to get the plasma underneath it.
Definitely
with
not.
The way this jacket fits.
That's true.
Feel like we hit it all.
I feel like this thing's awesome.
What do you think, dude?
I'm a fan. Like, I'm more of a sportier looking guy. I'm not more of a casual, relaxed fit. This checks all my boxes. If I was a street rider, I'd probably buy this jacket. 100%.
I think it's going to be hard to find a better, especially when you consider styling too.
It's so modern looking too.
Yeah, a summer, hot weather riding jacket. This thing's going to move a metric shit ton of air.
Yeah.
It wears super light too, doesn't it?
Sure does.
Another advantage that you have with Alpinestars, right? Like, I've been there. I've seen some of the stuff they have. It's been a minute now. I need to get back to Italy and check it out again. They asked us to come out, just not in the cards right now. We're still doing some racing. All the fabrics and stuff that they use here, and I've seen the equipment that they used to use. I assume it's only better now. When they spec all this out, the different areas in the jacket, I mean, they're like measuring the tear resistance, the abrasion resistance, and making sure that they're bringing a product that is going to, in terms of protection, be capable of doing its job. I'm sure there is some of that with other brands. To what level that's being done, I don't know. I just know I've seen their stuff, and it's pretty impressive.
It's pretty great.
So that should be also involved when you're considering buying something.
Yeah.
I think. You want a little more detail? Stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this thing off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go. The all-new Alpinestars T-GP Air Jacket from the inside out. Level 2 certified Nucleon armor in there. You know, a lot of people, I'll get comments in the different videos that I answer. A lot of the jackets are made with level 1 stuff. It's good to see because people have asked for some level 2 armor. It's going to come in this all new T-GP Air. Here's your shoulder. Here's your elbow and forearm piece. Still moldable, flexible, comfortable. Honestly, just a little thicker. And the material feels to perhaps be a little more dense than what we've seen with the level 1 stuff. This jacket's slick. I really like this jacket. Good seller already out of the gate. It's got a subtle race hump on it. Perforation in your textile fabric. Ample mesh used outside of the impact zone. A little reflective patch back here. A little embroidery up here. Volume adjustment at the waist with Velcro and textile. Race style external shoulder slider. It's going to work in conjunction with the armor that we showed you to protect you in that area. Perforation here in the textile on the sleeve, both in the upper arm and lower arm area. Elbow slider, also stitched onto the suit. That really enhances the protection in that area. Locking zipper here at the cuff. Always some cool details with Alpinestars. This material they're using here at the cuff is really lightweight, so it's going to make it quite easy. It's not going to interact negatively with a short glove. If you want to wear a long glove, it's going to go right over it. That's kind of cool as well. Inside the arm, that is some 3D mesh. It's going to flow a ton of air. Another little mesh panel right here gives it some good contrast and color. Get to the front of the jacket. That iconic logo is split by the zipper. We've got the perforation all throughout the textile material. We've got a couple of mesh accents here as well. Hand warmer style. Storage pockets, large pockets, either side of the jacket. Screen printing inside there. Another good look. Alpinestars logos up here on the collar. Also screen printed. Using that same real lightweight and comfortable fabric to line the neck of the jacket. Inside, we have a waterproof storage pocket here with a zipper on the left side. On the right side, this is interesting. That's a fucking magnet. When I was tearing this thing apart to do the review, I'm like, dude, there's a magnet in the jacket. So instead of the Velcro, they put a little magnet in there. Just the cool, subtle touches. That's where one of the places where Alpinestars really excels. To keep that no man's land, right, between the waist of your pants and the end of the jacket covered when you get in that tucked, aggressive position if you're on a sport bike. They've got these loops right here. It'll attach to either your belt or loops on your riding jeans. Also, there's a little bit of a tail here just to make sure you have enough material. This jacket is capable of accepting the Alpinestars back protector insert to get it in there. Open this Velcro panel here. That's also how you would get to the armor, okay? This will take the full or the standard length. As far as chest armor goes, with this jacket, there is no pocket to accept the individual pieces. Alpinestars, we have this merchandise in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. They have a full-size chest protector that has a Velcro patch in the center. And you'll see that Velcro right here, right in the chest area of the jacket. That's going to interact with that, hold it right in place. So if you do want to add the chest armor, that is the route you're going to have to go with that. All in all, what do I think? A lot of different colors available in this. They all look super sexy. It's very well made. I love all the different materials. You know, you got these race suit style elbow and shoulder sliders, level 2 armor. And this thing, I mean, you want to talk about wearing light and airy? This is a great summer riding jacket. And it should be at the price point it's selling at. You know, you're going to ask this kind of money for a textile jacket, it better be a home run, and rest assured, it is. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.